Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at how to use Crunchyroll app. So just go to App Store and download it real quick. After that, just go on the app. You can look at the free trial, log in, or create an account. So let's look at free trial. Never mind. Let's create an account. So I'll just do this real quick. Sorry about this, guys. It takes a second. Sorry, my mind just froze there. I just noticed you guys can look, but I don't really care. I'm not gonna use this account or buy anything. But see, if you want to do premium, it has 14-day free trial. Well, if you want that, you can, but I'm just gonna skip. So this is how you use the app. You could look at top picks. So these are most popular right now. And then you could go to my list. I have nothing right now, but when you go on the show, you can add. So you could, like it says here, add to watch list or share. By click on 3 buttons on one of the shows. And yeah, you could just look at that, and then you could look at browse. So you look at choose a category, or you could look at all that are popular right now. And genres, just different genre you want to choose. Simulcast, I don't know what this is, but I think it's just like seasons. So you know how like shows, different shows released during different times. So yeah, and then on the very bottom right is your account. So if you want to change your email, password, profile picture, I guess. You could also change the language, maturity. So I'll put that on. Connected apps, do not sell. You can delete your accounts through here as well. And that's how you use the Crunchyroll app.